Hello everyone, welcome to Tai Chi class. My name is Peng. Today we will talk about Peng Yu Ji An and let me show you how to do this action. The first, follow me. Move your legs, just your legs. So we will use this action first. Try hold your body, put your body gravate on right side leg. So turn. At the same time, you try move two legs. Like this, lock, stick. Turn back. Like this. Okay, I will show you how to use the hand, upper body. The first, hold the ball. At the same time, turn. So when you do this action, you try think before we practice the circle. From inside to outside, and the other side from outside to inside. So like 野马分鬃. Pull down. Cast your wrist, push forward. Make your hand forward, up, push. Make big circle. Left side. Hold the ball. Turn. Push forward. Something. The side of this position. The first, look at me. Hold the ball right side. Hold you. Hand. Turn. Okay, very good. So please to remember, always use the two leg, not use the one leg. To move a little bit faster. So follow me. Turn. Next time we will teach more. If you want to find more information, you can look at my Facebook or my WeChat. Thank you.